Welcome to this tutorial on obstacles to migration. This tool provides an inventory of the main obstacles encountered by eels throughout their migration. The impacts of each of these obstacles are also displayed, notably the mortality rates of them. Click on the logo to access to the tool. The first tab provides the inventory of all dams and hydropower plants in the Sudoang area. You can zoom on the different areas and click on the dots, representing dams, to see specific information at the level of each dam. Two tables and a graph below the map allow to understand all the dams an eel will have to cross, coming from the sea. A second tab allows to estimate the mortality rate at the level of each dam. To know this estimation, click on a basin and select your main hypotheses. You need to choose the repartition and migration scenarios. Model missing allows to run the model even if we don't have enough data to run the mortality model. To help you choose the different scenario, you can place the cursor on this space and detailed information appears. Then click on Proceed button. The graphs and tables update. If you place the cursor on the line, detailed information about the scenario and the selected spatial area are displayed. Below that, you can see a map of the basin-wide results with dots that represent each of the hydropower dams. The larger the point, the larger the mortality. The corresponding results for the area are displayed in this table. You can have dam-specific result by clicking on a dam on the table or in the map. The graphs and tables update below.